The Gita program is an initiative that we have put together, the Congregational Ministry has put together, specifically to please Srila Prabhupada and to follow his original plan. In 1953, 12 years before Prabhupada came to America, he wrote a letter, and he established in that letter, or a long memo, in Jhansi when he started the movement, and he called it the League of Devotees. So in that letter he explains that Krishna consciousness will expand if we based our consciousness in the teachings of Krishna as given in the Bhagavad Gita. And he gives specific directions. He says, read Gita at home for 1 hour a week. So very concise, right? And Prabhupada had the plan that with that format, the Bhakti Shastri program will start and the movement will expand. That was his original plan. We took those instructions and we tried to apply it. And gradually I could see that using some of the techniques that Bhakti Vriksha uses, such as sharing the knowledge and sharing the realization, the group grew and became more familiar with the Gita, with the process, and with each other. So the Gita program in reality is an invitation to create groups that study Gita together. It consists in modern PowerPoints with graphics, very simplified. That is to take people from zero understanding of Krishna consciousness to some serious interest in the Gita. We basically take Prabhupada's guidance, what Prabhupada said in each of the chapters about the chapter, what Prabhupada said about the sections of the Gita. So you understand the content, you understand the structure, and you understand the meaning of each chapter. So my observation after years doing it in Perth is that for sure people become really interested in reading the Gita. Secondly, people take seriously Prabhupada's guidance in understanding Bhagavad Gita or Krishna consciousness in general. And third, that people become encouraged to share this with others. So from zero to something, and then from something to something else, it's a big step. And you can achieve it in 6 months or so. As I said, people who came for a Sunday feast or yoga class or restaurant or somewhere, they become, in a few months' time, serious followers of Srila Prabhupada. That may lead them to join other programs such as Bhakti Vriksha or the ashram or some training programs. Some people come to Mayapur, Vrindavan for deeper studies in Krishna consciousness. So in one sense it's an entry level, but it can be as profound as the person takes it.